Hey guys, it's your favorite super confident and really exciting car enthusiast person back at it again today. We're going to be doing a intake air filter swap with this Fram Extra Guard 2x engine protection filter. So we're just replacing the air filter on this because it's getting old. Luckily on the E46s, I should mention that this is an E46 and not my E90. It's really easy because the filter box or the intake box is just cut horizontally across and they stick together like this. So what we're going to have to do is just remove the front snorkel, then we're going to lift up the top part of the box and swap out the filters really quick, and it'll be super easy. It's not like the E90s, which is again just a box, but it's cut vertically and it's pieced together like this, so that you have to take everything out. You gotta take off the snorkel and you gotta watch out for the MAF sensor and all this kind of stuff. So this is just gonna be pretty easy. Now to do this, all you need really is a pair of pliers. Something like this, needle nose works as well because there's little, I don't even know how to describe them. They're just little, not entirely screws, but just pieces on the snorkel that we need to pull out very gently. Just to get the snorkel out, so we'll move into that right now. So as you can see, there's just a few of these pins, I guess, right here, here, and here, so there's only 3. I'm actually going to be using the needle nose pliers just because it seems to be easier getting leverage on the little pins. The big one, I mean, I guess it works just for brute force, but we don't want to be too aggressive with these, obviously. Just want to get them out. Nice and easy. Alright, there's one. Okay, so now that we got all of these out, we need to move over to the intake, where we're just going to be undoing some clips, and that's the easiest part about all of this, and then we just got to lift the intake out. I forgot to mention, we obviously need to remove the snorkel here, so we'll just take this out. There you go. So you just gotta kind of pull up and it'll pop right out, and we'll just leave that over there for now. Now we'll move over to the clips. Okay, so there's 3 clips on the intake. They're very easy. You just push it down and this one was already unlocked. Look at that. So you just gotta pull it up, and then you bring this other piece down just like that. So there's 3, and there's one on the back here. Oh, there's another one down there too. Okay, hold on one second. That's going to be a bit of a challenge to get to. Well, you can reach under this hose here, and then just flick that up. There we go. And that's the 4th one. Now, oh my god, there's another one on the back too. Okay. Now we can lift this up nice and easy, and you can see the filter right there. So we're just going to pull this out. This is the old one, and it's gross. So just lift this out right here. Yeah, look how, oh my god, look how dirty this is. This is just not nasty, absolutely nasty. This is what you get. I mean, even the styrofoam's coming off here. So you get for using the same filter for, how old is this car? 2005, 2004. It's a long time. 14 years. Okay, so just to compare here, because this is pretty crazy. Look how absolutely pristine new it is. I really hope to God this is just colored white and this is colored black, because that's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. Hey guys, sorry about that. I just wanted to check what's up with the foam part of this, because I thought that was kind of interesting. I've never really seen a filter with the foam on it. So I was kind of wondering, like, maybe is this like the E46 version of the charcoal filter kind of deal? So I just wanted to make sure this wasn't some part that you're supposed to like take off or whatever. So we're just gonna go and slide this in, and let's see. There's gotta be a way to like finesse this in. Go nice and snug. Okay, so So that's the air filter in place, nice and easy, just like that. So now I just need to line everything back up, obviously. And then we'll put in the clips. That's one clip. Another one's over here. So what you want to do is just want to flick up this metal piece and then flick down the, well, I guess that's the opposite for this one, I guess. Oh yeah, okay, so I think this one goes back this way. This is a weird one. Yeah, that's that one. And,
Suddenly you hear it everywhere. It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon.
there we go.
Rapping to the beat.
Okay, we just want to make sure that the top's not coming off at all. Alright, now to just put the snorkel back in. I'll just slide this in place. There we go. And now we just need to put those little clips back in and we'll be good to go. Okay, now for the easy part, I hope. Just gotta put these clips back in. Alright guys, this is it for this video. Pretty easy, honestly probably the easiest DIY I've ever done. I mean, you always say, oh, it's gonna take 5 minutes, and there's like several different complications. I mean, like we saw that with the Vanos, for example. But this was just super easy. I mean, it's good preventative maintenance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see what I do for the next video.